we now proceed to the most important part of this afternoon, and that's the award of the ESI medal to Michele Parrinello. And in order to, please come forward, in order to put you in the right festive mood, we have some musicians here. I will present them to you in a moment, and they will play some music for us. So the musicians are Julia Kainz on the violin, then there is Pantelis Pistofidis also on the violin, and Markus Schmelz on the violoncello. And they are going to play for us a divertimento, one movement from a divertimento by Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. And I'm supposed to put the microphone here, I think. Thank you very much. We are a poor institute. We have only one microphone, so we have already heard a lot about your achievements. I would like to, so what you can see here is the scientific trajectory of Michele Parrinello. I don't want to go through all of it. I just want to point out a few things. One is that he received a lot of prizes. Among all the prizes is also the Bernie Alder Prize, which is very important in our community. And to this long list of prizes, now he has another addition. Soon, he has another addition, namely the ESI medal. Michele Parrinello was born in Sicily and got his degree, first degree from the University of Bologna. And then he spent quite a long time in Trieste. And I think it's correct to say that Trieste is the most Austrian of the Italian cities. Perhaps with the exception of South Tyrol, but let's not let's not talk about that. Perhaps you already have some affinity to Austria. I think in Trieste, yeah, in Trieste you can get a Wiener Schnitzel perhaps and a Grießnockelsuppe, and so it's quite Viennese. If you are on the Piazza dell'Unità d'Italia and you watch towards the north, it looks Austrian. Then you turn around and look at the sea, then it looks Italian. So it's a very nice mixture. The other thing that I wanted to point out is that, like many other scientists, Michele lived and worked in many places. And now maybe I will do you some wrong. And maybe what I say is as much about me as about you. But changing places often and working as a scientist, visiting many places, puts a certain strain also to a family. So as scientists, we have to be thankful to our families. And perhaps some of the medal that you will receive should go to your wife, Jenny, who is also here. And so I use this opportunity to say thank you also to Jenny for us supporting Michele in his work and in all this change of places. And I think this can be said about many scientists. And I look at my wife, Susanne, who is also here. And she does not seem to disagree. Okay, so now the Scientific Advisory Board of the ESI has decided to award the ESI medal to Michele Parrinello. And let me read the citation that was composed by the Scientific Advisory Board. It says that the medal of the Erwin Schrödinger Institute for Mathematics and Physics for the year 2025 is awarded to Michele Parrinello of the ETH Zürich and the IIT in Genova. And the citation reads, Professor Michele Parrinello is honored for his seminal contributions to computational science, particularly through the development of groundbreaking algorithms that have opened new frontiers in soft matter, biological and condensed matter physics, as well as for applying these methods to solve important open problems. Among his most recent achievements are the advancement of metadynamics sampling techniques, which have revolutionized the study of complex free energy landscapes, including those associated with protein conformational changes, and the pioneering integration of machine learning with molecular dynamics, a transformative leap that is redefining the frontiers of numerical simulations. He is also recognized for his efforts in promoting transparency and reproducibility in computational science. And for these reasons, and now I'm happy to award you. If you come to the stage, please, and maybe Sandra Diocco, since you are the chair of the Scientific Advisory Board, I would like to ask you to the stage, and so that everybody can see the medal. You have seen it before. I have it here, fortunately. I still have it. Let's check. So, on behalf of the Erwin Schrödinger Institute and of the Scientific Advisory Board of the Erwin Schrödinger Institute, I would like to award you the ESI Medal 2025. Applause. Congratulations. And there is also a nice put on the wall or wherever you like, signed by Sandra, and there is also some money which I don't have with me now. So congratulations again, Michele. And now, before Michele gives the award lecture, there will be another piece, microphone, by Henry Purcell.